This pepper plant has been producing peppers for years without stopping. The plant beside it received the same sunlight, the same water, and the same soil. Yet it produced only a few peppers before it stopped growing. The secret isn't expensive fertilizer. It's using the right nutrients at the right stage of growth. Young pepper plants need nitrogen to build strong roots and healthy leaves. Mix 1 packet of dry yeast with 1 tablespoon of sugar in 1 cup of warm water. Let it sit for about 30 minutes until it becomes foamy. Then mix it into 2 liters of clean water. Pour 1 cup around each plant every 20 days. Yeast helps beneficial soil microbes multiply, making nutrients easier for the roots to absorb. But here's the most important rule. As soon as you see the first flower buds, stop using yeast completely. Too much nitrogen during flowering causes flowers to drop and reduces fruit production. Now switch to the second stage. Sprinkle a thin layer of used coffee grounds around the base of the plant. Mix it lightly into the top layer of soil, then add 1 teaspoon of clean wood ash around the stem. Water the plant well afterward. Coffee grounds help improve soil quality and provide small amounts of phosphorus. Wood ash supplies potassium and calcium, helping flowers stay on the plant and supporting healthy fruit development. Only use wood ash once every 2 or 3 weeks. Too much can make the soil too alkaline. When peppers begin forming, keep feeding potassium-rich nutrients. You can continue using a small amount of wood ash or add dried banana peel powder to the soil. Potassium helps peppers grow bigger, sweeter, and healthier while encouraging continuous fruit production. Avoid 3 common mistakes. Never continue nitrogen after flowering starts. Never apply too much wood ash. Remove the leaves below the first branch so the plant sends more energy into growing peppers instead of extra foliage. Follow these simple stages and your pepper plant can reward you with healthy harvest for months. Comment pepper if you're growing peppers this season. Like this video, save it for later, and subscribe for more science-backed gardening tips.